Tonight, partiers are getting the boot from Barefoot Lake and Lehigh Acres. Last night, Wink News shared stories of neighbors who are fed up with the constant chaos and the trash.
Trying to enjoy our time is getting destroyed by them trying to enjoy theirs.
It's a lot of gangs, a lot of bad people. I don't like that for my kids.
After our story aired last night, the Lee County Sheriff's Office made it clear the party is over. The lake sits on private property, but the owner lives in the Czech Republic, so they're not totally aware of what's going on. But now LCSO has this mobile command center set up to monitor the makeshift beach. Roughly 200 people spent their weekends enjoying Barefoot Lake. Some say they're not ready to let go.
This is my peace and quiet. I will be the one still keeping this place clean.
Now, the spot saw a pretty nasty fight over the weekend. A man was arrested after going on a punching spree after he was asked to slow down on his dirt bike. Now, ATV and dirt bike enthusiasts have to find a new place to go. The Night Beach Just in Case joins us live from a new spot that's opening up in Punta Gorda tomorrow.
Justin, what'll happen if people try going to Barefoot Lake this weekend?
Well, if people try to do some off-roading at Barefoot Lake this weekend, they may be getting an all-expense paid stay at the Marcino Motel. However, unfortunately, I've heard that there's no off-roading behind bars in Lee County. And for a lot of people, they have told us that there's just nowhere to ride in these trails for the off-road vehicles, ATVs, side-by-sides. That is until now. And chances are, if you've been riding, you've potentially been riding on private property. However, a brand new spot is opening up tomorrow with trails sitting on 60 acres of land.
Luckily, I didn't lose my toupee on these trails. I don't actually have a toupee. You didn't actually believe that, did you? But if you're looking to experience the air in your hair, some off-road trails will help you get your fix.
Come ride, don't be an outlaw.
For people riding at Barefoot Lake and Lehigh Acres, whether you know it or not, you've been illegally riding on private property.
So there definitely is a high demand for somewhere safe and legal to go ride for sure.
The owner of Riverdale Power Sports loves helping people find their next favorite outdoor toy, but says it's tough explaining to customers how few places there actually are for people to legally go trail riding without having to drive hours away. That is, until now.
Not Jeeps.
Okay.
Because it's not wide enough.
Okay.
But a side-by-side will fit through there, no problem. So all these people that are looking to take their side-by-side somewhere, this is perfect. Yep. Not just go to a mud fest. You know, now you can actually go explore and have fun.
There are some closed motocross tracks and mud parks in the area, but it's been years since Southwest Florida has seen an off-roading trail park just like this.
We've been working so hard, making all the signs, doing all the directionals out there. It's been a fun.
Life.
We'll put arrows one way, and then all of a sudden we put arrows going all the wrong way. We got to go back and take those down.
We got lost a few times, so it's best we don't send you out on your own.
It's a labor of love. Rebecca and Kirk, along with their kids, have been working these trails for months, getting them ready for you. The trails sit on 60 acres of land, but they have plans to expand them another 30 acres in the future.
Bring your barbecue, bring your families, come hang out, go for a ride through the trails. I mean, what's not to like?
And it's so peaceful at night.
It is. It's a nice place to camp.
And again, this place is called 74MX and the RKC, and their grand opening is tomorrow. Now, this park also does have closed parks, closed circuits for motocross, for supercross, but they are also building a campground, a lake, and other amenities. We're going to include a link to their social media page for you on the Wink News app. Live on the Night Beat, just in case, Wink News.